Hi, my name is Amy and thank you very much for watching. So tonight I am apparently going to barricade my cat in the middle of the hallway. Um, we are going to be unboxing some bare roots. This is the first time I have ever bought bare root strawberries, but I didn't have a good time last year buying strawberry plants, and I'm not having a good time germinating strawberry seeds. So I figured may as well try getting some bare root. This is how you're supposed to get them. And I hope they come labeled because I bought 3 different types. And I'm going to be putting them, there are 12 strawberries each, and they're going to be going into 3 different places in my condo. So that's 4 in each place, unless they have given me way too many. So we will see. This is in a... Oh. Okay. So this is the Eversweet Everbearing Strawberry. And it's in a pack of 12. So the rest of this I'm just going to be doing a voiceover because it took a really long time and I wound up having to change my strategy a few times, and also there was a little bit of a disaster after I filmed this beginning part. I had been sitting on the ground for so long that my hips were starting to bother me, so I stood up, and in me trying to get a table out and a chair and everything, I had accidentally knocked over like a pint of water, and it took a really long time to clean up, and then I just wasn't in the mood to record anymore. And it took me until like 2 in the morning that morning to finish doing this. I just didn't feel like recording anymore. But I did do 3 different types of bare root strawberries. The first one that we did was the Eversweet. One was the Mara De Bois, and the other one was Sweet Charlie. So let me also tell you more about the 3 places that I wound up putting them in my condo. One was, it's marketed as an NFT, but it's not an NFT. It's just a continuous flow hydroponic system that I've had for almost a year. It all went onto the bottom shelf, and I left 2 openings open between each strawberry because I know that the roots get kind of big because it's a perennial. No big deal, right? Then my hydroponic system has not come in the mail yet, but it's supposed to be coming super soon. It's in a different type of hydroponics. But as a temporary measure, I have put those in ball jars with regular width openings, and that size is good because I can put the 2-inch knit cups directly on top of the opening and it just holds it. So I have managed to keep those mostly alive. In fact, it's been a few months, and I've started harvesting strawberries off of it, so that's pretty cool. I was going somewhere with that, but yeah, they've been super easy. I've been doing half strength fertilizer in those, and they haven't been giving me any issues. And then the third type was actually just straight in the soil, except I had left, there was a few days between when the planter arrived, so I'd put the strawberries in ball mason jars, and they were doing pretty well, but I didn't harden off the roots at all. I put them directly in the soil, so all of those strawberries died, every single one of them. I even had two different types of soil. Planters, I had basically it's like a 10-gallon planter, and then just it has openings on the side. And then I have one that hangs from a wall, basically. And I tried doing that, but it's kind of weird to have in my condo, and everything tied. So I'm no longer going to be using that, but you might see this. I think I have one other video where I have that particular hanging planter in view. So everything is an experiment, and that just did not work. But overall, I've been really enjoying growing strawberries in my condo, and the only strawberry plant, well, some of the ones in the continuous flow I think have died. I just haven't been paying that close of attention. Like, I haven't taken out the plants yet. But the only plant that hasn't started flowering yet is the sweet Anne child. But that one has not given up on trying to make runners. So that's where we are today in all of this. There will be probably future updates with strawberries, but I just wanted to make up for the fact that this video was taking forever. So I thank you very much for watching, and if you want to see more indoor gardening adventures, click like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.